What is going on, guys? This is Big Z here from Learn Bengali, and welcome to this short tutorial with Big Z. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to say happy birthday in Bengali. It's very simple. If you've followed my previous tutorials, you know how to say birthday in Bengali, right? It is Janmadin, right? So happy birthday is Shubho Janmadin. So it's very simple, but I'm going to show you how to write it down as well. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so here we are. Happy birthday, right? It is Shubho Janmodin. Janmodin. So this is no and mo, Janmodin, and this is Talibasho Ukar, Shubho. Shubho Janmodin. So Talibasho Ukar Bho. This is Jo and what is it? Jo, no and mo. Janmodin. Doroshikar no. Janmodin. Damn, I'm breaking things down here. Well, yeah, this is a short tutorial. So, happy birthday is Shubho Janmadin, or in English we say happy birthday to you, and this is the exact same thing in Bengali. Shubho Janmadin, Shubho Janmadin. I've written that down in English as well. Shubho Janmadin. So as simple as that. So yeah, a really short tutorial for you guys, because lately I've been posting long tutorials, right? So this is a short one. So this is like a break from all those long tutorials. So yeah, enjoy, and if you have any question, comment, let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching my videos, and do not forget to subscribe. Big Z out.